taking a look at stock ticker symbol LXRP. The last time that we've taken a look at this one was going to be on the 8th of February. That's going to bring us to right here. Right here. This was brought to us by Palmstone. The first time that we took a look at it was going to be, trying to get these dates right, over here. Look at that. Still, either way you look at it, still a nice gain off that. You guys are starting to break some support levels, though. I'm just going to tell you guys how I see it, and we're trying to find them before they move. If we go ahead and put an accurate trend line up here, it would go just like that. If you're looking here at the screen, you see where it started back here on 1220, rallied up. You guys came back down that trend line, and then just right here, you tapped it again on the 6th, and then today, on the 6th, and then the 7th, you guys broke through there, and then now you guys are down even lower at that support, which is about I got this line right now at 4006, but stock is currently trading at 41 cents right now. One thing to keep in mind, though, it could return just as fast as that it went down. We do see these, especially there's a very, very good chance that it could just come back up here. I would personally want to see this level really hold where it's at right now. Okay, to go ahead and confirm that it being a possibility of turning around. You guys already see that indecisive move right now. Not too sure with that doji candle, which way it wants to go. It very well could go ahead and pull back into that lower boundary band. Right now, I'm going to watch this one. I'm a little nervous, though, because it broke this trend line. Again, this trend line started right here. You guys came down to it right here, and again, right here, but you fell through. That being said, that's going to be the first thing that I'm going to be watching for. Off of that, you're going to have your support level is exactly where you're actually tapping it right there, and that's going to be the 4490. After that, I mean, it could if get enough momentum, it'll definitely go right back up to where it was. It's possible it could happen within the next few days. And that is all I'm going to have to add for this chart. But like I said, we've went over this, it was a month ago, so I wonder if Joe has anything he can update us with.
Yeah, there was a few different things that they put out in the press releases. Let's see. Since the last time we went over it, it was on February 13th. It was Lexaria expands scope with National Research Council agreement, and that was I'm just looking at it really quick. It had something to do with CFN Media Group, the leading creative agency and media network dedicated to legal cannabis, announces publication of an article discussing Lexaria. So that right there is there for you to read. It had something to do with the agreement also provides funding and better understanding of technology. All right, so that one right there. But the one that I was just looking at was from the 27th, February 27th, and it was Lexaria receives notice of its first patent to be granted in Australia for cannabinoid infused edibles. Lexaria Bioscience is pleased to announce that it has received a notice of acceptance from the Australian Patent Office that Lexaria's Australian patent application 201-527-4698 has been accepted with the patent issuance date expected in June 2017. This establishes Lexaria's first successful acceptance for patent issuance outside of the USA, and what the company expects to be a series of successful international patent awards. The notice of acceptance covers Lexaria's patent application entitled Food and Beverage Compositions Infused with Lipfrolic Active Agents and Methods of Use thereof, which has been accepted with the same set of claims previously issued in the U.S. patent number specific to non-psychoactive cannabinoids. Lexaria is very pleased with the rapid advancement of its patent claims by the Australia Patent Office. All right, so that's that, and I'll read this right here. Lexaria's technology is needed not just in the U.S. but throughout the global cannabis sector, which is why we have patent applications in place in 42 countries around the world, said Chris Bunka, CEO. Our international applications offer a safety of unparalleled diversification to our supporters that even individual national market leaders cannot offer. The accepted patent application includes a series of Lexaria's method claims for combining non-psychoactive cannabinoid lipophilic active agents together with a bioavailability and taste enhancing oil by the way of dehydration or lipthosization, and doing so in contact with the food product substrate material. Lexaria still has a number of additional patent applications undergoing review by the U.S. PTO and patent application continuations planned in order to further broaden an expected set of combustional and method patent claims. All right, so that's that. What they do is right here, Lexaria Bioscience Corp is a food bioscience company with a proprietary technology for improved delivery of bioactive compounds. Company's lipfolic enhancements technology has been shown to enhance the bioavailability of orally ingested cannabinoids. While also improving taste, this technology promotes healthy ingestion methods, lower overall dosing, and higher effectiveness in active molecule delivery. Company's technology is patent protected for cannabinoid CBD and all other non-psychoactive cannabinoids, and patent pending for tetradicannabinol, THC, other psychoactive cannabinoids, steroidal, anti-inflammatory drugs, nicotine, and molecules. I mean, that right there, I mean, it looks like, from my opinion, these guys are getting the patents on everything. So this may be, this one particular company may become a problem for other companies that obviously do the CBD and all that other good stuff. It's kind of what my take is on it. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to go and share it on the LXRP board over there on Investors Hangout. If you want to research more into these patents and everything else, just go over to the company's profile, and they'll bring you to like their board and everything else, like their website and everything. Their recent news, you probably want to go back on all that because there's a lot of different press releases from them. And as always, you want to do some more due diligence. You go right into their filings and start looking at all these patents that they have and who they could possibly affect.
All right, Joe, thank you. Great details. It really definitely give you guys a starting point that you guys might be looking for, especially as far as the company goes. So, again, 4-1, watch for a bounce from here to pull back into lower Bollinger Band. Trend is broken, and we'll need to get to 4791 to hold resistance at right there. Resistance at 4477, 4791 support at 40 must hold. You guys are right there. You're going to probably know more here in the coming hours throughout the rest of the day in the market, and tomorrow how this is going to play out. It's got to hold. If that breaks, all bets are off. It's a must hold. LXRP. Again, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We'd appreciate it very much. And as always, if you have a hot stock that you're following that you would like to see us take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live.